How to blur part of an image in Photoshop. Let's get into it. Select the padlock of your layer to unlock it and then drag it down to the plus icon to create a duplicate. In this case, I'm going to rename my second layer Blur. Right click your blur layer and then choose Convert to Smart Object. And with that layer selected, come up to Filter, choose Blur and then Gaussian Blur. Increase the blur amount to whichever you need for your project and then choose OK. Next, select the mask icon to create a mask on this blur. And then come up to the selection tool and choose the rectangle and then drag it across your entire image. Make sure you have the mask selected and then press delete on your keyboard. Next, come up to your brush tool and make sure that you have a soft brush of a reasonable size for your project and then paint over the area that you want to blur out. In my case, it's this face. If you find that you overpaint and you need to erase it, you can come into your eraser tool, make sure that you have a soft brush again of a reasonable size and then just simply erase out that overpaint like so. And then you can continue painting in the blur like so. If you want to change the intensity of the blur at this point, you can double click on the Gaussian blur effect and you can change the intensity of this effect by changing the radius like so. Once you're happy, click OK and that's all there is to it.